You don't just look at paintings, do you? You study them.
Observing isn't hard too.
And what do you observe about me?
That you enjoy testing limits. You live in moments, don't you?
And you trap yourself in rules.
Some lines are not means to be crossed.
But you wonder what's on the other side, don't you? You can push me away.
I should.
But you won't.
This is reckless. I don't do this.
You just did it.
And I don't regret it.
Will this be our only night?
It was supposed to be.
And now?
Now, I don't know what I want.
Hey critters, hope you like that short story. Okay, do you believe you can create one 30-minute long AI video with just one single prompt? Am I exaggerating things? Maybe not. Before that, I know we are looking for a free story creations and how to make money out of it. I'm going to show you a small 1-minute AI video that I generated with a one simple prompt. Here it is.
Steps into Leo's world of artistic chaos. Leo proudly unveils a sketchbook he discovered at an antique store. Desperate attempt to erase the dragon.
The best part here, these kind of cartoons can make easily and you can build a good YouTube channel with the storytelling online. Here are just some examples of the earnings from cartoon channels. So, what is that new tool? It is called Magic Light, a new AI tool that creates all sort of stories, animations, characters, voiceover, subtitle, and background music, everything for your story. You literally just need to type in one simple prompt and it will generate all type of stories, cartoons, and movies for you. It could be an adventure, horror, kids cartoon, and much more. The coolest thing is that it also keeps consistent characters for you, which is extremely hard to achieve with the most current tools. You know better than me. It's a brand new tool and you can start using it for free. The link is in the descriptions below, so go ahead and sign up to start making videos with me. Once you're logged in, you will see a clean and neatly laid out interface. You can take a look at some examples of animated movies produced using this tool. You can also create your own AI characters or AI videos. To get started, click on Create AI Video. First, we'll walk you through how to create a free online story. Using the free version, you can make unlimited online 1-minute stories. Step 1. Choose the aspect ratio. Select the aspect ratio for your project. For a movie style video, go with the landscape option. Step 2. Generate from the prompt or use your own content. You have two options. If you already have a script, you can type or paste into Use My Content box. Alternatively, you can generate your entire movie from just one prompt in the Smart Script box. You can also use ChatGPT to get a prompt. Step 3. Select your video language and style. Choose your video language. Example, we'll go with English now. And select a style for your animated stories. Styles, it includes cyberpunk, anime, comic, Zootopia, Disney, and so on. For this example, I choose cartoon. Step 4. Generate the scene. Click AI Generate and Magic Light will break the script into multiple shots. Example here, we got 5 scene shots for this example. You can edit each scene if needed or override them to create your own version. Step 5. Create consistent characters. On the casting page, you can auto-detect characters or you can create your own characters. This feature ensures a consistent characters throughout the story, which is often difficult with other AI tools. For example, I edited the character Leo, a boy, by selecting a pre-made character. I did the same for Maya, a girl. Step 6. Generate a storyboard. Once the character is all set, click Next to generate the storyboard. You can switch between scenes, view the narrator's voice line, and see the descriptions of what's happening in each scene here. Step 7. Animate the scene. You cannot animate the scene on the free version, but you can use a lip sync animation for the scene in free version. Step 8. Preview and edit. Preview the story. If you want to modify the scene or voiceover or subtitle, you can modify here and you can regenerate them. Step 9. Add a final touch. Add a title to the movie, or you can leave it untitled. Add subtitles if needed. Magic Light can generate them automatically. Choose your background musics to enhance the video. Step 10. Now it's final. Generate the final video. Select the format, example 16:9 widescreen, and click Generate. Once the video is ready, you can preview it and you can download it and you can upload that into your YouTube channel. Now, let's see how to create a 30-minute long AI animated story with a simple prompt. For this, you need to pay for it. Let's see how the paid versions benefits you. Paid version start with $8 per month and you will get a 6,500 credits. Without animation, you can make unlimited 5, 10, 15 and 13 minutes long story. With animation, you can make 5 to 6 1-minute videos because every scene carries 5 seconds and you need to animate, and for a minute you need at least 1200 credits. This is good for a serious animated video making channel for a minute. For a long durations, you need to go for a plus plan which carries 20,000 credits. So let's get straight into the animation part of the story creations, because that's the only part different from the free version. As usual, you create your story and scene creations and all. Now let's get into the animation part. Click on animates to start animating the scene. You can see here it takes 100 credits for a 5-second animation. You can also select other animations which cost you a little more higher. If you're not happy with the scene, you can regenerate it for free. After all the final touch and preview, you can now see the animated story. So the final conclusion, a new beginner, I recommend you to start with a free version and create an online story as much as you can and post in your YouTube channel and look for the audience reaction. Once you get a good audience, slowly you can move to the basic plan and can start posting an animated story online and start earning money. Hope this information helps who are interested in starting a YouTube channels to post online story. Please drop your questions and comments below if you have any. Thank you for watching. Happy creating.